Let's dive into something truly special today. The 2025 Ford GT is more than just a car. It's an experience, a celebration of precision engineering, and a testament to Ford's legacy in the supercar world. This car doesn't just make an entrance, it dominates it. Every line, every curve, every detail screams performance and purpose. The design is unmistakably Ford GT, retaining its iconic silhouette, but the 2025 model pushes the boundaries further, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge innovation. The aerodynamic improvements are nothing short of extraordinary. The low-slung stance and aggressive angles aren't just for show, they're engineered to slice through the air with precision. The redesigned active aerodynamics system adapts to speed and driving conditions in real time, ensuring optimal buttresses for stability. And those iconic flying buttresses? They've been reimagined for even better airflow management, reducing drag while keeping the GT firmly planted on the road or track. Under the hood, the heart of the 2025 Ford GT beats louder than ever. Powering this beast is a finely tuned version of the 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 engine, now pushing performance to new heights. It delivers an eye-watering 750 horsepower, a significant boost from its predecessor. This isn't just raw power, though. It's precision performance. Advanced engine management ensures seamless power delivery, while a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission offers razor-sharp shifts, making the driving experience nothing short of exhilarating. The driving dynamics are where the Ford GT truly shines. The adaptive suspension system has been refined to provide a perfect balance of comfort and aggression. Whether you're carving through tight corners on a winding road or unleashing its full potential on a straightaway, the GT responds with unmatched precision. The steering is sharp, communicative, and makes you feel connected to the road like never before. Every input you give is met with an immediate and satisfying response, creating a bond between driver and machine that's hard to find elsewhere. Inside, the cockpit is a masterclass in blending minimalism with advanced technology. The 2025 Ford GT puts the driver front and center, with everything you need to control this powerhouse within easy reach. The digital instrument cluster has been upgraded with customizable displays giving you real-time feedback on performance metrics, lap times, and more. The carbon fiber seats are lightweight and supportive, holding you in place during high-speed maneuvers while keeping comfort in mind for longer drives, with a perfect balance between action, sportability, and reliability. Ford hasn't just focused on performance, they've also made strides in sustainability. The 2025 GT incorporates advanced materials that reduce weight while minimizing its environmental impact. This balance between performance and responsibility shows Ford's commitment to the future of automotive engineering. What makes this car even more special is its exclusivity. Production numbers will be limited, and each car will be built with painstaking attention to detail. This ensures that every 2025 Ford GT is not just a machine, but a piece of art. It's a car that turns heads wherever it goes, whether on the road or displayed at a car show. The 2025 Ford GT is a culmination of everything Ford has learned over decades of racing and supercar development. It's a celebration of engineering, speed, and design, built for those who crave the thrill of driving something truly exceptional. If you've ever dreamed of owning a car that embodies the spirit of competition and innovation, the Ford GT is it. That wraps up today's Spotlight. Stay tuned for more reviews, insights, and deep dives into the cars that make our hearts race. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep driving, keep dreaming, and we'll catch you next time.